I told you, I need a good blower. Yeah, there it is. I hope it's good anyway. It came from Parkside and it was on a special offer in the sale. It cost the princely sum of €15, yes. The normal price was $25. Well, $24.99. So, let's see if my blower is any good for non-nocturnal activities. Depends, whatever you like. Anyway, okay, I'll keep that one in the drawer. Okay, I won't bring it into this video, no. That'll be for another channel. How to get into this? Where is it? Why did you slide it out? Oh, that was easy. Anyway, what's it say about it? It is a 20-volt air pump, cordless air pump. Not for pumping your tyres up on your car, no. It's more of a souffleur. Well, an inflator of other stuff, like your special personal acquaintance that's made latex. Anyway, or something else like an inflatable kayak, for which I'll be demonstrating a bit of it in a mo. That we will. Now, I don't know if this is going to work on it even, but we'll see, won't we? Now, it's 20 volt, that it is. It don't come with batteries. No batteries included. You've got to buy them separately. Luckily, I've already done that. We have our batteries here. Can you see? Yeah, I have got 2 batteries so far. I might get more if I get to like these Parkside tools, but we'll see. Now, this charge is a dual charger. Drill as well, though. Yeah, Parkside drill, see? Yeah. Cool, eh? Oh! Well, anyway, I can put that on there, because I can charge it on there, you see. Clever, it's just so simple. You just slot it in, and magically, about, how long? Oh, crikey, depends, in about 35 minutes, it'll be charged up, it will, yeah. And it's a dual charger. Can't be better. This particular charger was 20 quid, but you get chargers for little. Well, they do a wire plug-in type charger as well, but I would recommend that. But they do another charger like half the size of this sort of thing, and that's about $9.99. Is that a tenner? All right. This one is 20 quid. The batteries are €15 each, and they do a 4-amp battery, but also do a 4-amp smart battery. I don't know what it's supposed to do. I ain't got a clue. Maybe it's got like ChatGPT built into it or something like that. I ain't got a clue. I don't know. That's for you to find out and to tell me later. Anyway, should we have a look about our blower? Let's have a, yeah, I think we should. So this is kind of an unboxing and first impressions and inflation. Oh, don't talk about thinking inflation. Oh my Gideon, what is that about? 2.5%, 3%? I don't know. What is it? Oh, God, I need to cut that. I need to cut it with. What can I cut it with? Blimey! Oh! I'll just ring it about with that. That'll do. Yeah. Yeah, very well. Oh! I do like a bit of brutality, I do. Is that it? Where's the rest? What have I got a big box? There's no, is it for, maybe it's for a charger. There's big space there. Ah, must be for batteries and a charger, mate. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, this is what you get. Right? That's quite neat. I'm not keen on the button. That's the first thing I don't like. I don't like the switch. It doesn't need to be an on-off switch because it's not sort of thing you want to hold the finger on all the while, is it? Alright, it's going to be any good. Okay, I can't even get the thing out there. What's it out? Get battery. Yes, get battery. I've got a battery. Oh. All of a sudden, as soon as you put that on there, it becomes heavier. Oh. I do apologise. I feel totally utterly fluffed out there. Oh, crikey. Did I say that out loud? I think I did. Anyway, you've got to choose your right nozzle. Right, there's a skinny nozzle. I don't know how good that's going to be. You'll get all the airflow through that, will you? Because it's not enough air to get through it. That one. Oh, I put it on the wrong end. Oh, what a blow, not stuck. Yeah. Ooh, that's for another time. Anyway, there's a... Oh, you could, that's another thing you could use it for. You could use it for cleaning off the old bench, couldn't you? That'll work. Yeah, that'd be good for that. Bit of sawdust and stuff. Now, I do have a test subject, that I do. Come in, Debbie! You're shy? Oh, okay, I'll use this instead. Alright, I have this, alright? It's a banana boat. You'll see what I mean in a minute. We'll see whether or not this will inflate this, and whether or not it'll be quick enough as well, because that's the other thing, isn't it? You won't be hanging around for blooming ever, do you? Waiting, biting your fingernails and all that, waiting for it to inflate it. Because there's quite a bit of air going on in this. Currently I've got one of them pumpy things you do that with, and it's kind of like, oh my god, you look so stupid! You're very stupid in fact. Yeah, that'll go in that one. Alright, so that's got to go on there. Alright, so let's make some room for my bladder. Now this bladder is out of a canoe. Alright, it's not a banana boat, but it kind of, it looks like, I don't know, a banana or a tusk of an elephant. How long does it take to inflate? Oh, I should have got a timer out. Not timer out, a timer out. I'll get my watch. Alright, have I got a stop clock on there? I don't know if I have. Of course I have. Where's the stop clock? Not that one, not that one. Is that what I do? Outdoor running, no, not that. Stop status, no, don't need that, don't need that. Don't need that, more. Oh, I don't know what more. Is it? Oh, what's that? That's time. Measuring my heart rate, don't need to do that. What can I use? Any ideas? Oh, blimey, 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant. Oh, it's going to take longer than a minute, isn't it? So why don't I just do it in minutes? That's a good idea. Alright, we're just about, alright, how many metres? I think it was 70 cubic metres an hour or something. We'll see. Now! Going up! I can see it moving! Well, this is easier. I can sit there and I pick my nose. There's 2 of these in the kayak, and then you've got a 4 and 2 seats. Oh, that's a darn sight easier than pumping it. I don't know if you need both batteries to do the whole kayak. One minute, no, not even 1 minute yet. Oh my giddy out! Oh, it's inflating! Oh, look at it go! Oh, there we go. It took 2 minutes. Oh, I think that is quite acceptable. It's got to be better than like 10 minutes pumping up and down. Like that. There. So that's not bad actually. So within, what, say 6 minutes I could have the kayak completely inflated. There's a little 2+2 kayak. And this is one of the bladders that goes in the side. It's not supposed to be, it's not a tusk. It's not an elephant tusk. No. Or one of them Cadillacs with, like, I don't know, a horn on the front. You know, that Desperate Dan kind of stuff. No. So anyway, do I recommend it? Well, so far so good. Be interesting to know how many batteries I'll get through every time I want to pump up. But that was actually pretty good. I'm pleasantly surprised. Now I need to find out where the leak is. Anyway, yes, it's got a leak. I don't know where it is. Somewhere. Anyway, toodaloo. Currently $14.99 on Lidl's. A bargain doing the sales, that it is. But you've got to buy the batteries extra, right? But if you've already got the battery system, well then you can add to it without worrying about the batteries, unless you want more batteries. It's up to you, isn't it? How much you want to spend? But $14.99? I'm actually pretty impressed. It feels solid, they don't feel like rubbish. I don't like the switch, I'll be absolutely honest with you. That's one of them cheapy ones you get on sort of cheapy products. Don't like it. But anyway, that's anything less down in my book. But there you go, that's only me being petty. Yeah. Do you like my horn? I'm getting horny. Oh, I didn't say that. Oh, I'm going to have to blow up. I'm going to have to blow up. Oh, toodaloo.